Hello guys, this is Mrs. Barnes and I am the health teacher. This is what my Canvas dashboard looks like. Obviously, I have all health classes and 2 yoga classes, so mine looks a little bit different than yours does. Over here on the right is your to-do list. These are assignments that you need to complete. So just be careful. Some of them may be from previous in the school year, so make sure that you're looking at assignments from when you first got here. So anything previous to March 15th, you actually can just hit this X and delete, because anything before March 15th you should not have to complete, all right? You can actually move these squares and put them in order. So your order of classes should be sports and entertainment marketing. So just shuffle them all around so they're in order, and then biology, then English, then algebra, then strength training, then housing design, then digital photography and screen printing, then health, and then early American history. So they should be in order that way of how your schedule goes to make it the easiest. So this is our class here. So all you do is click on it and it will open up our home page or our dashboards. There are some announcements that could come up there. If I put it in student view, this is what you yourself will see. The only things that you need over here on the left-hand side are what you see. And then when you look at the center here are the most important things as well. The blue class Zoom is the link that you'll click on to join my class meeting starting at 12:36. That's what time our class starts, and that's the most important time to be in my classroom. Office hours are at the end of the day. So when period 7 is over until 2:10, our class is over. Classes are over for me then, so that's when my office hours are over as well. But if you need extra help or extra time, let me know and we can schedule a session. The calendar is here. If you click on the calendar, it will open up a copy of the schedule that I have in the email. But it's everything from March until the rest of the school year. So currently we are here on March 17th. So the most important thing that you need to pay attention to is the cycle day. We are currently on an even day, and even days are when I get to see Zachary in class. Okay? So it goes all the way through June. So the next one is April. And again, we have our spring break starting on the 31st. The third marking period is over on the 30th, just so you know. Then spring break is the 31st, the 1st, the 2nd, and the 5th. The fourth marking period starts on April 6th, and then you'll see how the rest of the days go. On asynchronous days, the teachers will assign work for you to do at home at your own time, and will give you a due date time that it will happen. Okay? All right, the bell schedule is also listed here. I've also put that in an email for you. It will open up in a Word document, which we might not be able to see because I have it opened on my other screen. So give me a second to pull it over. It is here. This is a normal daily schedule. So you have, I think you eat lunch period 6 maybe, if I remember correctly. These are all the days that, all the classes that they happen. We have 4 lunch periods. So wherever yours fits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I forget which period your lunch is, but you're in here somewhere. All right. So that's what the schedule looks like. And then this is the link to the Coatesville homepage. All right. Once you get in here, all of my assignments are linked through the modules. Currently, you only have 1 assignment to complete for me, and I just want to see what you can do. It's this WHO website, but anything with a red circle is an assignment that you need to complete. So when you click on that WHO web quest, you're going to see that I have 2 different versions, an English version and a Spanish version. You're going to click on that English version. You're going to make a copy. Let it load all up. And then what I want you to do is you're going to answer, what does the WHO stand for? And all you're going to do is click on the blue linked information, open up that website, and then you're going to answer the question. What does the WHO stand for? And the answer is actually right there. So type your answer. And then I only want you to do this for one of these diseases. All right, so pick a non-communicable disease up here. Then I want you to tell me what 2 facts are, what 2 symptoms are, and whichever disease you picked, is it curable? Don't worry about this one. Don't worry about this second one. And I want you to click on this local health resource, and it's the Chest Pen Health Service Center. And I just have some questions for you to see if you can access information in our area. So when was Chest Pen Health Center opened in Coatesville? Copy and paste the mission statement. Name one other service that it's offered at our Chest Pen Center. Where is the nearest chest pen, and what's the phone number? This is an advocacy example to see if you can access information in our community. All right, when you're done with that, all you're going to do is click Submit Assignment. And then you're going to go to the Google Drive LTI 1.3 because we are pulling directly from your Google Drive. And if you can't do this, if your name doesn't show up here, let me know and I'll fix it for you real quick. You're going to click Select File. This little box pops up, and you're going to find your picture of your actual assignment right here. Click on it, click Add, click Attach, and then all you do now is click Submit Assignment. Super easy. And then it will let you know that it attached, and then it will tell you up here that it was submitted. You always have to click OK. And then it will tell you up here that it was submitted. And then once it's graded, it will tell you what your grade is up there at the top. All right? So something there to pay attention to. Some teachers put all of their assignments in a tab here on the side that say Assignments. So it just depends on how your teacher has their course set up. One thing that I do want you to look at, if you click on Account, go in, oops, hold on, I gotta leave my student view. Hold on. Click on your account, and you're gonna go into Settings. And the one thing I do want you to look at is to make sure that your Google Drive is over here into Registered Services. If it's over here in Other Services, all you have to do is click on it, and then click to make sure that your Google Drive is registered. Otherwise, you'll have trouble uploading assignments for Canvas. All right, if you want to if you need some help with that, let me know, and we can do a Zoom session, and I can help you with that. Okay? Hopefully that helps you out with how to use Canvas. If you have any troubles, let me know. See you soon.